Cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps.
Hey you guys, it's your gal Cutie back with another video. So let's start by opening this box. Oh gosh, we got 2 shoes for this video, baby. Let's go. Oh my god, these are the LeBrons. Oh wow. Can you see that little, oh my god. I think you can, oh my god. Oh. Oh, pero. See, let's see what it is, baby. Oh my goodness. It just stuck like that, but let's open it. Oh my god. No, why they do they kind of look different? The color is different online, but oh my god. That is sick. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. My gosh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's go get a better look at this. Oh my goodness. It's here, guys. Wow, that little island vibes and stuff. Perfect for the summer, right? So, these babies right here is the Nike LeBron 9 Low. Just look at that. Wow. My goodness. Oh my god, this is sick. I really thought this was gonna be a little bit more vibrant, but this is how it turned out, but I still love it. Oh my goodness. This really is fly, and it is. It stands out. It stands out. I do love the orange in it. It's like vibrant. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's gorgeous. You can even see the interior. Wow. I would really let my baby wear this. These ones are good. But too bad it's not his size. Just kidding. I just realized that is a drink. Oh my god, the insoles. Lord.